On this episode of Soul Seekers, two-shot Clint and myself go full send into the jungle of western Washington on a wet and wild adventure in pursuit of Tony's first elk. Battling the weather and elements, it was a hunt that challenged our grit and determination, as there are always lessons to be learned from every hunt. Stay tuned. I'm Johnny Mack. Hunting has transformed my life unlike anything else. It has fulfilled my soul, provided purpose, brought adventure, and created a community of support. Follow along with me as I set off into the wild to ignite my soul while seeking to transform the lives of others. Welcome to Soul Seekers.
Season 2, Soul Seekers, off to a heck of a start.
Two shot! What up, bro? Dude, you ready to go elk hunting?
So ready?
Let's do it. Woo!
What are these?
What are those?
Dude, how do you like these?
Well, they're flying straight.
They're flying straight? What are you shooting at right now?
60.
Way out there. You can't even see this with this lens.
This little guy needs some love.
So this is the very first time that Tony and I have ever hunted elk in September together.
With the bugle and bulls.
And this is only my second time ever hunting elk in September.
Yeah.
First time, well, some magic happened, which you're gonna want to check out maybe with this part right here. Yeah, real nice. And we're gonna get that repeat action going. We got Will and Doug from season 1, our mentees from season 1. They connected and they went down a couple days earlier. We're gonna shoot some arrows. I'm gonna get some video of Tony, myself. We're gonna make sure our broadheads are dialed in and we're good to go.
Yep.
Later. This is at 60. We're hunting western Washington, so chances are of shooting an elk during the rut at 60 is very extreme. We're looking probably for 20 and in, maybe 30. So take a look. We're gonna send it. There we go. Two shot. Your turn.
Great, we're gonna run this through, huh?
Woo! How'd that feel?
Good. I don't know where it went.
Let's go take a look. Fast forward motion. Hey, what do you know? We're grouping together. That's 60 yards. That's not too bad. Okay. That'll do.
Bring it on!
That'll do. Let's go kill an elk. Get it, boys.
Oh yeah, don't stop, get it.
We're going elk hunting today in the western Washington monsoon season.
It's about as wet as it gets.
And today's supposed to be the lightest day of them all.
It's alright, we got fresh ground coffee to kick it off. I'll be alright. Cheers.
Soul
Seekers.
Well, Doug, you and Will from season 1 teamed up, become friends, family, and you're out here sharing elk camp with us for 2021.
Tromping around the elk woods.
We're gonna let it rip. As we enjoyed sharing camp with our two mentees from the previous season, it was time to get after it regardless of the weather. Battling the intense and unrelenting rain made for a soggy adventure as we continually searched high and low for the fabled Roosevelt elk. Mapping our journey and checking the topography, looking for benches and other places the elk might be hiding, it became a mental game as the search continued. Very few things in life can match an epic adventure with your buddies in the elk woods, as we were able to take it all in, enjoying all that nature has to offer.
Our freshest rub that we've seen so far. The bark is still red on the ground and wet.
With most of the elk sign looking to be about a week old and no response to our calling efforts, day 1 seemed to be more of a bust than boom. But with hunting, You never know when opportunity strikes, as First Blood came at a good time and in an unexpected way.
Got it.
Well, first blood of the trip. Smoked them. Annihilators!
We're not gonna starve to death now.
All right.
Yes.
We get to go back to camp.
I think he's on there good.
Are we good?
Yeah. $30 ground.
$30 dogs are back to camp. Probably taking a nap.
They didn't kill though.
Told you boys don't come back to camp without something.
Huh?
You don't come back here without killing something. Did you kill something? What'd you kill? Did you kill
What are
anything?
you doing? This is not hunting.
Killed a cup of coffee.
This is not the mentorship. This is not the mentorship program we ran you through.
You know you can't kill something from bed.
Yep, we know that.
Johnny slayed, dude.
Did he?
Show him. Show him your cards. Flip them.
Nice.
Rouse down.
Soulseekers! Ah! I'm just kidding. Once back at camp, we regrouped and had a hot meal, a cup of coffee, and made a game plan for day 2. Well, it is day 2 of our elk hunt, and the rain finally subsided. So, the thing is, I don't think there's any elk that are currently in this area, so we're going to go move it along down the road. And Will and Doug graciously let us stay in their Tajman tent. And as long as this weather holds up, we'll be able to get after it a little bit more. I mean, we can get after it in the rain, but this just makes it that much nicer. Stay tuned. Stay soulful.
The group has dispersed down to Johnny and I. So we are going to finish strong, and the rain has been on and off today, so it's on right now. But we're gonna find elk. We're gonna kill them. It's gonna be great.
It's raining kind of hard right now. Welcome to Western Washington elk season, baby! At the end of the day, we're just a couple of dudes working on learning how to elk hunt. And this is the first time we've done it together in September. So, good luck, Godspeed, freedom up. We're on elk. We're on elk. We got a bull. They're right in the middle. Our wind's blowing that way. We can't really move right now. Go back. The wind is literally going right at us.
With the adrenaline kicking in overdrive and Two Shot having his first opportunity at an elk, he works to get set up in an ambush position. Suddenly, and out of nowhere, the elk spook and take off running.
Put my 60 pin on it. He's further than that. It just dropped way low.
Yeah.
With the heartache setting in and a last-ditch attempt to catch up to the elk with no avail, we get a clearer picture as to why the elk spooked and ran off in the first place and how Tony misjudged the distance.
That mossy tree is 60 yards, so then it was probably standing where like that fir is. That's a long way. I did not think he was that far. This is grass fields, like so open. You can't, it's hard to read how far they were. And then when they ran off, they're at 120 yards. We just ran into a hunter when we were trying to chase this, or catch up to the bulls again, and they saw that same small little herd with the bull, and they got winded, so pushed it towards us, and that's kind of how we got lucky with that. That was nuts.
Dude, you just shot at your very first elk. I'm pretty jacked with Tony. And that was freaking awesome. And it just goes to show, we were just walking in here, not even, not really expecting to see anything in these fields. And all of a sudden, bam, elk. You never know how it's gonna happen. You gotta be prepared for it all the time.
With our weekend warrior trip drawing to a close, it was definitely a September to remember.
She's a beaut, she's a beaut. Cheers. Hell of an experience today, boys. Quite nice. It's raining. If only it was raining elk, and then we'd be able to have a little more fun. But it's not, it's raining. Raindrops. Alright, go ahead. How's that? It's pretty good. Getting just embraced by this weather. And this is why you don't see many hunting films for Roosevelt elk. Hard to keep a camera on this.
Very nice.
It's
Very nice.
Very nice.
It's a very nice kind of day.
Commander Clint, he goes with the cotton hoodie. Flannel.
Hey, when you're camping, you're in the dry zone, you can wear whatever you want.
Oh, so you're not hunting in that?
I'm just putting on warm layers right now because I'm gonna enjoy this moment with some warm coffee. Then I'll put on my rain gear. Then I'll get wet.
Yeah, dude, that lantern behind you is super bright.
What he's thinking is stop judging.
Oh, you turn on my headlamp. Like that one.